Unfortunately for you, it wasn't a cash prize, which actually means this right here, brother, is your new motorcycle.
Oh my God!
My family's here in the background.
Congratulations!
All right, what is up, guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting video. We are going to be choosing a winner for our $60,000 custom giveaway Ducati Diavel V4. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. All right, so the first thing we need to do today, the family's heading over. We actually are going to bring the bike inside the house so that whenever we get in contact with the winner, we can have the bike in the background and be inside. This is the bike right here. If you're not familiar with my channel, we've given away over 17 motorcycles worth over $1 million over the past 6-7 years or so. This is our latest creation with the help of Manny at Moto Million, a warhorse of Camp Hill, and of course Kickass Designs, who helped me come up with the design and actually did all the custom paintwork and custom wheels on this bike. It started out as a 2024 Ducati Diavel V4, and then we did all of this stuff to it, and this is how it looks now, and super happy with how this looks. I would say it's one of the most extreme, custom, and beautiful Diavel V4s in the entire world, and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, this is bike number 17, fun fact, but it's actually going to be the 18th bike that we've given away because we actually gave the 17th bike away with the MV Agusta first before we did this one. So it's a little quirk for the Campisi Customs journey. But yeah, I'm excited to see who wins this. The next bike that we're going to be giving away is the 2025 Ducati Panigale V4. This is going to be full carbon fiber thanks to my buddy Manny at Moto Million. And this is the next one you'll be able to win. So the way you enter to win these bikes is through a website called Patreon, patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It's always the first link in the description below.
All right, final startup. Bringing it around back so we can get it through the bar and into the house.
You know what that's from?
On the road again? No, I don't.
Shrek.
Oh, donkey.
Hey, can I stay with you?
Oh my
In
gosh.
the morning, I'm making waffles.
I love that movie.
The original.
Yes, the first one.
It was very good.
Ooh. Oh gosh, get her all wet.
We do need to clean up the wheels.
There's our tiny little homemade ramp.
Twice as big.
It needs to be twice as big. There's a thick tire on this one.
Imagine I forgot to put something open the screen door. Just slammed it right in there.
All right, so we're gonna set it here and wait for the family to come, and then we're gonna, just in case, you know?
So every time I do the giveaways, I always get nostalgic, and I look back at past giveaways, and we were actually doing some work, and this video popped up, and that was crazy to see the original bike that we did, the 959, and like, it wasn't very custom, let's be real. We did do a custom exhaust, which sounded amazing, didn't look exactly how I wanted it to look, but all we had, this is when Christina and I were literally living with my mom in her house. Christina had just got her R3, I had my Gixxer 600, and we literally were sharing a leased Honda CRV, and that's all we had to our names. We had no money, living pretty much paycheck to paycheck, and it's crazy to see what it has evolved to, largely because of social media. So it's just been an incredible journey to go from that to this, the house that we're in now, and 17 bikes worth over $1 million is just freaking insane. So what a journey it's been. I can't thank you enough for all your continued support, and I hope to do the giveaways for as long as I possibly can. Basically until people don't want us to see them anymore or they stop supporting them, then we'll move on to something else. So yeah, I'm excited. Family is starting to arrive, and there they are. There's Papa Bear arriving on his Diavel, baby. How's she running?
Oh, bike's beautiful.
Look at that thing,
Loves
dude.
the weather.
35K miles on it, man.
Yes, it does.
Amazing. I love that it's still, I'm actually shocked that it's still running with the way he rides the shit out of this
I
thing.
was just beating the shit out of it on 81.
I love it. Hey, I'm
Playing games
gonna
with
need your help to
bitches.
get the Diavel in the house. Okay.
All right, we got the son and father. Okay, front cleared.
Okay. All right.
Okay, there you go. Goodness gracious. Well, you got it in the house, safe and sound.
So we're actually gonna eat some food before we get started. We did Palumbo's pizza, half cheese, half pep. I did a creamy Caesar salad, and then I got actually a couple of different things in there. It looks pretty good. Lettuce, tomato, onion with grilled chicken, and then they got some subs. And I think my mom got a tuna salad, which also looks really good. All right, we got full bellies, and it's 1:30 EST. So it's time to do this. So again, we're gonna be drawing for this bike right here. We're gonna have a first place, which is the bike itself, and there'll be a second and third place. And again, we don't do the drawing live because we contact the top 3 and then we get the reaction of the winner. They don't actually know they've won until they're actually talking to us on the phone. So first things first, the list of names. So it starts at 2, which is the row.
Because one is the
So you see names and states. And then it goes all the way down.
to 69.77.
This one was a little bit more than normal because we had 3 bikes at the same time. So we've actually had this bike for about a year.
Been a year now.
Yeah, so like even when people were supporting back for the BMW, you were still getting entries for this bike too. So that's why the list is a little larger. There's not anywhere close to that many people signed up. So the odds are actually still pretty crazy, which is why we had somebody win a bike for the second time for the MV Agusta, which was pretty nuts. So I think we're ready to choose a name. Hannah, you want to choose it for us? Everyone wish Hannah a huge birthday. Congratulations. She's officially a teenager. Lucky number 13. Okay, so all you have to do is press down on that. Hold on.
Okay.
Wait. And then we'll watch it go.
We didn't guess our guesses.
Oh shoot, we didn't. Okay, we can do that before we look them up.
4110. I
I feel like it's always in the middle somewhere.
I'm gonna go Colorado.
Colorado. Oh, we're doing guesses now?
Just do it now.
Oh,
before we
okay.
get The next one.
Texas.
I don't know.
Virginia.
Maine.
Maine.
Oh, Maine. North Carolina.
North Carolina. That's a good one.
I'll go south.
South.
Florida.
Florida. California. That's a good one too.
Did you say?
I said Texas.
Texas. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you picking all 3?
Yeah, might as
Okay,
well.
All pressure on.
All right,
Hannah.
go ahead, Hannah. Wow, that barely moved.
Okay.
I want to see like a 10.
62 spots.
One more time. Wow,
Oh
that
my
was
gosh,
all in the middle.
4s.
That's weird. Just click it a couple more times. I just want to see if it lands in the 40s again. Okay,
Oh, there it
now
goes
it's
to
moving.
6s,
Okay,
yeah.
all right, we're good.
Okay.
Just so people don't think it's, I guess it's random, so
Yeah.
whatever. But
We have no choice.
let's just Google random number generator. So are you going to the bike winner
I'm
first?
going to the bike winner first.
Here we go.
4,
Here we go, folks.
110.
There's no California.
4110. I can see a Cali. We've had a bunch of Cali.
A lot of Callies.
We have a lot of Cali supporters.
We had a lot of PA.
A lot of
too.
PA supporters. 4110. I'm nervous.
110. John from California.
Oh, Hannah, nice job.
Nice job.
John from California. We don't have a last name.
Nope.
That's all we have. So that will be the winner of the Diavel V4.
Farthest that we could possibly go.
Now we can go to 2 and 3.
407.
They were all 4,000 numbers.
Texas. Hey.
Texas. Hey, I was
Aubrey.
close.
Aubrey.
Wow. Our first female winner. Assuming that's a female.
Aubrey
Rice.
from Texas.
Texas.
All right.
Cali, Texas. Okay. Hopefully they can see this.
4232 is Dave from Colorado.
Whoa, and you picked Colorado.
That's very random.
That's pretty wild. Okay. It's still not as crazy as Nate wearing a cancer shirt and then picking Gary, who just beat cancer.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that was pretty wild.
Okay, so now we got to contact them and get the winner on.
Yeah, all right, so congrats to the winners. Thank you guys for supporting. And don't forget, if you guys are supporting right now and you didn't win this bike, you're still entered for our soon-to-be full carbon 2025 Panigale V4. So we're gonna contact the winners and we might go outside, maybe play some cornhole and hang out while we wait for them to get back to us. All right, so the winner just got back to us. We're gonna call him right now.
I think this is the fastest a winner's ever gotten back to us.
The winner's ever gotten back to us. FaceTime.
Video.
All right, let's see what happens. Get this thing cranked up. Oh, the camera needs wiped off. This is quite an operation we've got going here. Why does this camera still look terrible?
It's because your screen is a mess.
What? That's well.
It's the light. It's
Let me see if I can. Hello? Hey, what's up, man? Sorry, one second.
Doing well. How are you?
I'm good, man. Sorry, I caught you in your car or what?
Oh, it's okay. Just headed to the gym.
Oh, that's what I like to hear, man.
Gotta get it in.
Okay, well, dude, I don't know if you know, we're choosing winners today for my custom build series.
Uh-huh.
And so we have a top three. We have a first place prize, which is obviously the motorcycle. And then we have a second place and a third place, which are cash prizes. So unfortunately for you, it wasn't a cash prize, which actually means this right here, brother, is your new motorcycle.
Oh my god.
My family's here in the background.
Congratulations!
Good
Yeah,
job,
dude.
sir. Good job.
Congrats, John. It's okay to cry, man.
That is amazing. I'm speechless.
That's usually how it goes.
Oh my gosh. It's incredibly beautiful. I've been following all the videos and just what you've been able to do with that motorcycle. It is already gorgeous as it was.
Of course.
My gosh, you took it to a level that I couldn't even imagine.
It's one of our favorites. I know we've mentioned it in the videos, but honestly, it's one of my favorite builds we've ever done, man. It's so freaking cool.
Gosh, it is so fabulous. I've just never wanted it.
That's what everybody says. Where are you right now? Are you in Cali, John?
Yes.
California?
Yes, I'm in Cali.
Awesome, man. Yeah, we were in Southern California. We were in Santa Barbara for a bunch of years.
Yep. I remember.
Yeah.
I remember the videos.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, my brother's daughter actually chose the winner, and she guessed California as the winner. So it was pretty crazy when we saw your name pop up. I was like, no way, he's in California.
Oh wow, no, that's awesome. That's awesome.
So,
That's
do you ride motorcycles, John?
I do. So I have a sports tour. It's a BMW RS 1250.
Oh, nice.
And so I do some sports touring, and then I have a Triumph Bobber.
Oh, nice, dude. I was thinking about doing one of those for the next build, actually.
Oh, they are wonderful bikes, and just I love the Triumph because it's easy to work on, so I can tool around on it myself.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and certainly here in Southern California,
Oh, it's perfect.
you can ride all year.
Yep.
So yeah, I ride multiple times a week to work, and
Oh, it's so
just-
perfect.
I love it.
So my question is, will you actually ride this bike, or do you think you're going to be like, maybe I park it in the garage and have it as a...
Oh, I'm gonna ride the bike. What are you kidding? I'm gonna ride the bike.
All right, good. That's what I like to hear.
I'm gonna ride that bike.
Awesome.
That's amazing. Yeah, it's been a dream bike of mine for a while, and I think I've rented one or two, like on like Twisted Road, or
Oh, you have ridden a Diavel?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I would treat myself by like for a birthday, I would just rent the bike and ride it around that weekend, just dreaming.
Dude, that's crazy.
Having one. So
Was it a 1260 that you rode, or a V4?
it was a 1260.
Okay, so you haven't ridden the V4.
No.
Okay, all right, awesome.
It's
Yeah,
been a dream. I've done multiple builds on the website, and I get this.
putting all the parts on it.
Oh my god,
Dude, I love it. That's the whole reason why we do this,
beautiful.
That's
I
awesome.
mean, I could never imagine designing a bike like that, though. That's just incredible.
It's hard to come up with designs, honestly. I don't know if I even ever told YouTube where the inspiration came from, but I actually was thinking about getting a Porsche GT3, and I went on the website and designed like my dream Porsche GT3, and it was actually like this color scheme. And then Porsche does like heritage editions where they have like big numbers on the side with circles on them. And so that's kind of where I started thinking, like, you know what, I'm not going to get the GT3 because I couldn't get an allocation. So I was like, maybe I'll design the next build after the car that I was going to get. Yeah, and so that's kind of, and then wheels and everything are literally designed after the stock GT3 wheels. So Kikos did like custom set of wheels for us and everything. And then we did like a Porsche Miami Blue. It came from the color and everything. So it's kind of like a homage to a car that I never had,
That's amazing.
Yes.
It's beautiful. Like, it makes me think about all the shark blue.
Yes.
Like we see riding
Yep.
around down there. And,
Exactly.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, so it's got a good story behind it.
Gosh.
That's awesome, dude. Well, I'm glad it's going to a rider, someone who's going to ride the bike, somebody who wanted a Diavel. That's crazy, dude. You spoke it into existence, you know?
I've had dreams about it. I was like, okay, and I'm gonna ride with this helmet, not that helmet.
I love it, dude.
Just dreaming about it.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I love it.
And
Well,
it's true.
are you okay if I put this on YouTube and everything for everyone?
Sure.
Okay, cool, because I'm filming right now, so I should have probably let you know. Yeah. Say hi to YouTube, man.
Hi, you too.
So here's proof, guys. Everyone says that, you know, well, not everyone, but people say these giveaways aren't real or whatever. I don't know him, never met him before in my life. He's been supporting the projects, and he just won a $60,000 custom Diavel, man.
Gosh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I just can't believe it.
I can't wait till you see it in person, dude.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll talk off camera. I'll get all your information. We'll get the bike shipped out. I'm assuming you want me to ship it out. You don't want to come all the way out here probably to get it. Yeah. But I can get the bike shipped out here. And honestly, because of where you are located, maybe once we come out to visit her family, we can come down and meet you and maybe go for a ride or just, you know.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
I think that would be super cool.
Awesome.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. All right, well, I want to keep this short for YouTube, but you and I will be chatting on the phone here, and we'll get everything sorted out in the meantime. But I'm super excited for you, man. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for supporting the project. We couldn't do it without you. Yeah, I appreciate it. Well, hey, enjoy the rest of your drive. Tell the family we said hello, and I'll be in contact. All right, later, John.
Bye, congrats.
That's
Thank
amazing.
you. Thank you.
Later, bud.
All right, thank you.
Wow. That's freaking amazing. So there you go. I don't know if you heard that, what he was saying.
Is that where you plug
Yeah.
in the battery?
Hey, he was saying that he had rented some Diavels on his birthday, the 1260s, because of my videos, and he's like, it was one of his dream bikes that he was hoping to get.
Just the torque on this bike
Yeah.
is so fun.
But he hasn't
He's
ridden,
gonna love this.
he hasn't
bike.
ridden the V4s yet.
Oh
so.
my God.
Yeah, this will be his first Diavel V4 that he
I'm
would.
jealous.
Okay, so that's it, guys. Everybody go and wish John a huge congratulations in the comment section below. I just think it's so cool that he actually rented a Diavel for his birthday, a 1260, and loved the bike so much and was literally like building out like bikes on Ducati's website with like how he would like spec it and everything. And I was telling him like, you literally can like speak things into existence. I really do believe that. It's just like the guy that came up from LA for our BMW, the carbon BMW we did out in Santa Barbara. He's like, I just wanted to see the bike before it was gone and I wouldn't be able to see it ever again. And then he won the bike. And like, I honestly, like we've done the same thing where we've spoke things into existence, you know, with our content and our jobs and everything. And I just think it's so incredible. So yeah, huge congratulations to John and the other 3 winners. Everybody say congrats in the comment section below. I'm going to miss this one. One of my favorite builds we've ever done. Absolutely love the color. Huge congratulations, or huge thanks to Kikas Designs, to Moto Million, and to Warhorse for sponsoring this build. And I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching the videos. If you enjoy these, give it a big old juicy thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.